guys, welcome back to another restocking video. So I restocked my shop on Saturday, but I was not able to get this video up on time. I will always be updating you guys on my Instagram if my restock will be late. And I'm starting this new thing on my channel which I've seen several people do, and that is subscriber shoutouts. So I'll be picking random people to give a shoutout to when you comment on my videos. So some of these clips may seem familiar to a couple of you guys because I've been posting them on my Instagram. But anyways, this is called Brownie Funfetti, and it is a butter slime that smells like brownies, obviously. Banana Laffy Taffy has always been a fan favorite in my shop, and my new Laffy Taffy recipe makes the slime so thick and stretchy. Oh my god, you guys, I definitely recommend getting this one if you plan on purchasing, and it smells like bananas, which is a plus. Sprinkled Delight is actually almost out of stock, so I definitely recommend getting one of these as soon as you can. It smells like cake batter, and I don't know how to describe the texture. It's so unique, and it feels like I used Daiso clay in it, but I didn't use any clay in this whatsoever. Next is Frozen Pina Colada, and it smells just like the name, and this is an icy slime, so it kind of has a crunch to it. Strawberry ice cream is a super thick and smooth slime, and it smells just like sweet strawberries, and I really love this one. And next is Grape Cooler. This is unscented because I didn't want the beads to fall out. And I'm surprised this didn't sell as fast as I thought it would, because I figured a lot of people really liked these sugar bead slimes. Next up is Pearly Ocean Blue. So this is a clear slime base with this metallic blue pigment, and I love how it gives that glossy shine to it. I also have unicorn soda, but I believe it's already out of stock, but I still wanted to show it. Fruit Punch is a clear slime base with little fruit slices in it. On camera it looks orange, but it's actually red, and this is unscented because I wanted to keep it clear. Next is Cotton Candy Icy. It smells like cotton candy, and I didn't want to touch this as much because I didn't want it to mix. But if you order this, please note that it may arrive already mixed due to shipment. And last but not least is Watermelon Taffy. So it has that same texture as my Banana Laffy Taffy, but it is scented like watermelons and has little black glitters in it.